Ciao everyone, we are in the town of Santo Stefano Belbo, which is in the Cuneo province, and we were joking because we've never been to Cuneo before and we were wondering if, do they drive on the same side of the street? It's a monthly market. We haven't been here before. We just parked and we saw the tents, so we're gonna head over there right now. Ciao! This vintage coaster.
Dalla chiesa uscendo dal postiglione non metà.
Però arriva sempre alla
chiesa non si passa. Alla chiesa. E il cielo. Chiesa uscendo. Questa non è il postiglione. Uscendo verso il bolletto.
Esattamente. Poi quando c'erano i giovani, l'orario dove avevo i giovani, perché io avevo un amico che era più in basso che aveva la donna lì e avevamo conosciuto questi giovani.
E la vendevi pure tutta.
Fai un acquisto condizionato.
Look at these beautiful tiles.
Anche se poi una palla, le caviglie, però risultava. Sì, gli armadi. Poi io stavo
Something interesting that we learned was that in Italy they do daylight savings, but it's a week earlier than in the United States. So last night, well, after midnight was when we fell back an hour, which meant we got to get a little bit more sleep before hitting the flea market this morning. But back in the US, that won't happen until next weekend. So we're in this kind of in-between time where the number of hours is different. I'm always kind of subtracting 6 hours because that's where my family is, on the East Coast. These vintage handbags are so pretty. I have quite the collection at home, and I rarely use them, but I just think that they're so beautiful. The ones that have like needlework, like here, or beading, they're just like little works of art. I really like these massive wire baskets, and I'm not really sure what I would use them for, but I think they're very cool.
Mamma non c'è pesce? No, dammi un pezzo di carta se ce l'hai.
Non riesci neanche a girare.
Suo? C'è questa cenere? Hai sentito? C'è un posto, guarda che l'ho preso, ma me le dà solo angro. Tutte e due. Un negozio bello con questo.
Unless it's not supposed to have a lid.
Hai ancora la fede? Ce l'ha? Vabbè, non fa niente.
Massive pepper grinder. Gets hand painted.
Lui fa la collezione, lui fa collezione di questa cenere.
Se il prossimo
Se ce
mese,
li hai vieni te le prende tu.
il prossimo mese se ne ho, se mi vengono a tiro,
Ci vediamo. Il 23 di novembre. Allora le porti e le tieni chiuse fino a quando arrivo io. Bene? Bene. Grazie.
Be wrong, but I think this might be what beekeepers use, that kind of sends the smoke to have a calming effect on the bees, I think. If I'm wrong, or if you know something else about it or can confirm, please let me know down in the comments. I see people drinking this emerald green drink in bars, and I'm not really sure what it is. It's like a mint. Is it a soda? Or I'm not sure, but it's pretty wild looking. Everything in these crates is €1, and I like that they're actually a little higher. So I can maybe get some better video. Okay, so everything on the ground here is €5. I do appreciate when sellers make it very clear prices of things. You know, if anything catches your eye. Sort of a mix of old and new.
Eccoci Flori, sei contento?
This painting. Look at the way that the red on her hat just pops. It's so beautiful. It's on wood. So I didn't realize this, but it looks like this market sort of extends beyond that main parking lot.
Molto bene. Noi ci mettiamo i campi di bello.
There's something on this table that I found kind of shocking. Oops. And it wasn't that. Yep, that was it. So I didn't buy anything. I did ask about that vintage poster with the woman skiing. I really liked it. It was framed, it was in beautiful condition, and it was from Piemonte, which I thought would be a really nice thing to have. I love vintage poster art. He wanted $150, which, I mean, I don't know the market as well here. It seems like a lot to me, but again, I don't know the age of it, so I passed. But I will say, from what I saw, that the prices here seem to be a little bit more expensive than other markets we've gone to up, you know, near Biella and in the Monferrato area, the Acquiterme one, which honestly isn't that far from here, but the prices there seemed a lot better. So I don't know if that's a reflection of the population, if there's more wealth in this area, but yeah, the prices are a little bit more. I mean, it's a really pretty market. The setting is lovely. I mean, it's certainly a nice way to spend a Sunday morning. But just keep it in mind if you do come here to Santo Stefano Belbo, it's the fourth Sunday of the month. It is a little bit more expensive. We were driving by and we saw the sign that says, oh, and leave an offering for the school.
Oh,
Well, I
okay.
didn't bring my wallet. But
I
you...
have a small amount.
Hi, guys.
But no,
Look at
that'll-
you.
What one do you want?
Look at you.
What one do you want?
I don't know. One of these cute little ones is good. Yeah.